Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. I want to show you today how to use the research notes document that I posted on Google Classroom and what I expect you to do with it. So, during your research, it's very important that you keep track of your quotes and your web addresses where you get your quotes from, the full web addresses, so that you can look at it at any given point. So, I want you to use this document that I've posted to Google Classroom to keep track of all that. So, if you look at the document, I have a spot for you to type your claim, and then it just outlines your 1 to 3 reasons why your claim is true. You could do a fourth reason if you want to. It's not necessary though. And while we're doing this research, I'm going to be sort of modeling what um, what I expect out of you guys by sort of writing a research paper along with you. And the topic that I chose is whether or not alcohol should be banned in the United States. And I am going to argue the side that alcohol should be banned in the United States. So my claim is alcohol should be banned. Okay. Now, the first reason that I think alcohol should be banned is that it creates really detrimental health consequences. So, alcohol is very unhealthy. Okay. Now, I found a quote on the CDC webpage, and it looks like that. Now, I'm not going to, when I use this, I'm not going to quote all of these bullets, but I can certainly draw from that. Just for the ease of showing you guys, I'm just going to copy and paste this sentence here. Over time, excessive alcohol use can lead to the development of chronic diseases and other serious problems. Okay, so you copy and then you paste without formatting. If you paste without formatting, it will save the formatting that I have programmed this document to use. Okay, if you just paste it, it will show up looking like the web page formatting, which I don't want you to do. Very important next step. You have to copy and paste the full web address. So right here at the top in the address bar, copy and then paste without formatting. Okay. And for each quote, you need to do that. You need to capture the web address where you got it from. Okay. So I'm going to skip the second quote for reason number one, because you guys probably get the point. I want you to come up with 2 quotes per reason. Okay. And then the web address. My second reason that alcohol should be banned is it would reduce drinking and driving deaths. I can word that a little better, but just for the time being, that's fine. And I have a quote right here from this webpage. I'll copy and paste without formatting. Again, if you right click and you paste without formatting, it will show up the way I want it to show up on this document. And don't forget your web address. Copy and paste. Paste that right into the copy and paste URL section. Okay. So I'm not going to do this the whole entire document. You guys understand how to do that, I hope. If you have any questions, as always, I want you to reach out to me using Google Hangouts. Again, Google Hangouts, if you open up a new tab, click on the Google Apps and scroll down to Hangouts, you'll then find your class conversation under conversations right here. Okay. And as you can see, here's all the conversations that I've been sending to my various classes. Okay, so you'll see, like if you're in 4BD, you'll see the 4BD conversation, so on and so forth. This is the best way to message me. And if you don't want your entire class to read it, if you just start a new conversation, you can direct message me by typing in Timothy, and it should come up, or Fredenberg, either one. Okay. Stay well, stay healthy.